Bringing Wall Street to Main Street. From your local experts in downtown Logan, this is the Adams Wealth Advisors Market Report.
Hi, this is Blake with Adams Wealth Advisors. U.S. stocks finished mixed today as weakness in semiconductors and other technology shares weighed on the broader market ahead of Nvidia's earnings, while financials helped keep the Dow positive. The Dow Jones Industrial Average advanced 140 points to 53,417. The NASDAQ Composite declined 0.8% to 25,980, while the S&P 500 slipped to 0.3% to 7,653. Investors also weighed escalating U.S.-Canada trade tensions and a new round of U.S. economic pressure against Iran. Technology was the main source of weakness. Semiconductor shares declined sharply as investors reduced exposure ahead of Nvidia's Wednesday report, which is expected to provide an important test of demand and spending across the artificial intelligence industry. Financials and consumer staples moved in the opposite direction, showing a rotation away from some of the market's largest technology names rather than a broader retreat from stocks. Treasury yields eased as investors considered reports that the Treasury Department could use its general account to support additional bond buybacks. The 5-year yield declined by 2 basis points to 4.41%, while the 10-year yield fell by 3 basis points toward 4.7%. This provided some relief after last week's sharp rise in longer-term borrowing costs. Oil also declined as markets assessed the potential impact of expanded sanctions on Iran. The big items coming up this week are Nvidia's results on Wednesday and the Federal Reserve's preferred inflation measure, followed by Fed Chair Kevin Warsh's Jackson Hole remarks on Friday. Together, those events could reshape expectations for corporate growth, inflation, and the path of interest rates. Adams Wealth Advisors will continue monitoring these developments and keep you informed.
That's your update from Adams Wealth Advisors, guiding your financial future one day at a time. For personalized help planning yours, reach out to us at 435-752-1702. See you soon, Cache Valley. Advisory services offered through Adams Wealth Management, a registered investment advisor. For important disclosures and more information, visit adamswealthadvisors.com.